This is SUNBA new solar panel kit, a light version of SUNBA 60-watt monocrystalline solar panel kit with a built-in 12-volt 20-ampere rechargeable lithium battery, which can satisfy the power supply needs of many products in off-grid situations. Now I will show you the installation process. First, we need to install the mounting plate. Align the holes. Put the two panels together and tighten them with 4 large screws. The next step is to install the battery, again aligning the holes and securing it with 4 large screws. Next, we have to check the mounting position of the charge controller and fix it with 4 small screws. Finally, connect the 6-pin plugs of the charge controller and the battery. And then connect the 2 sets of plugs of the solar panel and the controller with 4-pin plugs respectively. There are 2 U-shaped brackets and 4 hoops in the mounting accessories. You can use those accessories to fix the solar battery or any other DC 12 volts devices.